Security fencing costs. For critical infrastructure protection, security fencing is a top priority. However, when considering the type of fence to install to keep intruders out, there may be additional costs generated by choosing extra security options such as barbed wire or perimeter detection. These additions will increase the price of the fence and provide an added layer against intrusion. Although usually at extra cost, adding a security gate is another consideration when in your security fencing architecture. You want to keep intruders out but also provide access for staff and visitors. Automatic and manual options and keypad entry, and heavy-duty padlock combination locks are all potential security gate options. Finally, consider how much time your property needs protection from intruders. There are permanent and short-term solutions for security fencing. Senstar provides perimeter security systems that help to detect and delay intrusion attempts. Fence-mounted sensors detect and locate intruders at the fence line before they get inside a property. Senstar offers a range of fence sensors, security lighting, and other types of security solutions to meet the requirements for sites of all sizes.